And it looks like to be I'm in San Francisco right now.
Several days ago, we received a direct message on Xiaohongshu, a popular social media platform among Chinese young people. It's from a sailor named Zichen. He said that he was about to bring a group of new friends to visit Western Sichuan. Why do people all over the world yearn for this place? Bearing this question, with 8 people from 7 countries in this biting cold winter, an unexpected journey unfolds.
This is my first time in China, and also years ago I studied plants at Kew Gardens in London, and they used to always talk about the trees of Sichuan. So I wanted to come here and see the trees and the plants.
I'm from New Zealand. This is my first time in China at all and my first time in Western Sichuan. This is a hot!
I come from India. I came here to China for the first time. I knew nothing about Western Sichuan. In China, I landed in Shanghai and then I came here, so this is definitely very contrasting.
Wow, it's cold.
Our car started slipping while it was going up the mountain.
One of our cars stuck on the road.
And it's because it lost traction on the snow. So we had to pull over and then reverse down to some like a flat part so that we could put our snow chains on.
The most magnificent sceneries are always accompanied by certain challenges. Having successfully crossed the mountain pass, we can see snow-capped mountains, grasslands, canyons, and jungles. Yes, the landforms here are truly diverse. When passing by Zhonglu Tibetan village, we were lucky to come across a Tibetan wedding by chance, and we prepared a performance. Lisa proposed adding some Irish dances.
Like really beautiful dancing, but very traditionally Irish, where your arms are by your side and you do it to music, Irish music. And it's fun, it's really interactive, and it's not a competition. Got on the stage and people had really good eye contact, rhythm, they started counting, and then they heard the music and then they danced to the music. It was really amazing, and it was very well, everybody coordinated really well, and they were smiling, which was magical.
Unlike the weddings of the Han in China, at Tibetan wedding ceremonies, everyone presents hada to the newlyweds. As a result, everyone feels like a part of the wedding. The weddings are very lively and can even last for a whole week.
And just now we just talked about any highlights in our trip or some challenging thing.
Yeah.
So what impressed you most
In this trip, before I answer that, I want to show this bridge. And it looks like to be I'm in San Francisco right now. So what impressed me, you asked me, in China?
Yeah.
Everything works perfectly here. Everything is as promised, you know? And this is my genuine answer. I think China always surpasses my expectation, impresses me. People are very hospitable, friendly, welcoming, and also interested in you. And whoever that person might be, wherever they might come from. In China, people want to know who you are, and they're curious, which you don't see in many countries.
Why Western Sichuan? Along this journey, I have heard many answers indeed. Perhaps it's the magnificent Mount Gongga, or the delicious zamba in the homestay of Ta Gong. or maybe the gorgeous Tanka paintings on the Lintang Plateau. When suffering from lack of oxygen, the world becomes slow and heavy, yet you feel even more grateful for life. I've come to know that it's the people here, as well as this land, that gives birth to life. When parting, Zichen told me that many people from different countries had already signed up for the next trip, and they were especially attracted by Tibetan weddings. I think we will meet again soon.